The Watts Dead Level Trench Drain is uniquely designed to save you time. Customers who've used our Dead Level Trench Drain system call it the best trench drain ever, and understandably so. The unique pre-slope design of the Dead Level ensures consistently straight runs and makes installation quick and easy. The Dead Level avoids the issues you may have encountered with other trench drains. We've specifically engineered it to deliver superior performance through innovative, high-quality design and robust, reliable construction. Clean installations can be made in any 1 foot or 4 foot increment without field cutting or modification. Channels lock longitudinally outside the structural frame and cannot pinch, twist, or float with the concrete pour. Flange joints create stable, straight, level runs. The unique design transfers the load to the concrete, maintaining drain integrity during the concrete pour. Integral clips on the channel attach the rebar with the hardware. For no additional cost, Watts provides a construction cover that is more effective than ripped plywood or duct taping for protecting the drain from dirt and damage. It protects against the impact of people, concrete, hoses, and finishing equipment. By significantly easing installation, Watts has provided a way for you to avoid the headaches you may have experienced on past trench drain projects and create a straight, stable run. Try it. There's nothing like it.